Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I know it's been a while. um, but yeah, I'm just gonna get cute for no apparent reason, just because it's been a long time. Like the last time I got ready was really like the last time I really did my hair, signed in my face. I've been so busy coaching that I can't get my nails done. I can't put my weave in because it's softball. So I'm outside, it's dust everywhere. But I have a little break this week, so I decided to just get cute, you know. Um, I'm not gonna talk, but I wanted to use two new products, which is the e.l.f. Sun Kids Booster Drops and the e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer. I'll come back in and let you guys know my thoughts about it. But other than that, I'm just gonna let you guys vibe with me. I'm just gonna play some real chill music and then I'll talk about these two new products when I'm done. So let me know how you guys' summer has been. Mine's has been like, I know it was like hot girl summer or whatever, but I was real chill this summer. Yeah, so let me know if you guys had a hot girl summer or like a cool down summer. Comment down below. Um, so yeah, let me just jump right into it. Oh, and I forgot. I'm using this e.l.f. Excuse my hair. I'm about to go do it real quick. But I will say that this is a lot drier than I'm used to. Like sucked all the moisture, everything. These little dewdrops didn't stand a chance. So I think, and this was pretty matte as well. So I think I will go with something a little bit heavier underneath here, and then put this on top. And then with this bad boy, maybe not use as much powder, like let it dry down on its own, and then trying to set it, because I'm just so used to going in with powder. I'm like, you know, but definitely if I was going to work or somewhere where it was like sweaty and hot and stuff, then I don't see this going anywhere, because even when it dried on my hand, it took a lot for me to get it off. So yeah, this may be my new, you know, goodie. I may get a lighter shade though, just for like, if I'm priming my eyes and I want a brighter look. This was really good. The only thing was I would never use it by itself. It gave me a white cast, but I don't see anything now. It was sticky, so I wasn't used to my foundation like sticking to things, because I use the e.l.f. hydrating primer, and it's more like you apply it more wet than on something that's really tacky. That's the word I'm looking for, is tacky. So I kind of like that. I may not use it with a matte foundation again. Like everything I used was matte, which I don't mind. Don't get me wrong, because you know it'd be hot out there. But I know now. You know what I mean? I'm prepared. So the drops, they didn't smell like anything. They did give me like a really good glow. It wasn't heavy. It was really light. It almost felt like I was putting water, like shiny water, if that makes sense. I don't have oily skin. I would say I will have normal to dry skin, depending on what's going on. But yeah, I would definitely try this again. I may switch a few things. Like I may switch to the Clinique foundation. The only thing is, I don't think I have my shade, 'cause I'm a little bit darker now. But all in all, what do you guys think? I think it came out cute. I'm a little rusty. Like, I have not done my brows in forever, and I struggle a little bit. But I think, don't mind this bump right there. I always get bumps in my eyebrow for some reason. But this brow came out cute. I think I'm going to do like a little bit of inner corner highlight. I don't know. I wanted to keep it matte, but I may need to add some type of like shimmer or something. But everything else is matte. I think I'm going to spray my face down one more time just to make sure that my face doesn't dry out. But yeah, if you like this look, it's really simple. I just wanted to be cute today. Let me know your thoughts. If you tried these new products, well, they're not new. They're new to me, okay? If you tried these products, let me know what you guys think, especially about the concealer. I just lost it. I don't know what I did. About the concealer and what shade you guys think I should try out. Maybe the contour shade, or maybe this shade again. I mean, a little bit lighter than this one. This is pretty much a little bit lighter than my skin tone. But yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye. So I'm back. I went to dinner. Look at this. Nothing. Like in the cracks, I usually like crease because I'm wrinkly, but I look the same like when I left. Crazy. I've never been, especially in here, it usually gets like creasy, kind of crackly, kind of missing. I ate, laughed, everything, and it's still good. Like, I'm impressed. I'm just not used to that matte. You know, I'm just used to like soft velvet matte. But I don't know. I like this. I want to play with the base a little bit more. Maybe get a little bit more moisture underneath. But let me know y'all thoughts. How did y'all feel about this e.l.f. concealer? I lost it again. It's somewhere. Yeah. But just let me know your experiences. Yeah, the primer is A1. Not even here, nothing. And by now, since I ate, it's usually something, but I'm good. Like, that's crazy. Oh, y'all might have did something, but yeah. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.